Zimbabwe now has more refugees than during the War of Liberation. By Jacob Kudzi Mutasi, the 18th of September 2025. Spread the love. More than 4 decades after independence, there are now more Zimbabwean refugees, labeled as diasporans, scattered across the globe than there ever were during the liberation struggle. What was once a proud nation, fighting for self-rule, has become a source of mass migration, burdening regional neighbors and the wider international community. According to aid agencies, millions of Zimbabweans are living in South Africa, Botswana, Mozambique, the UK, Canada, and Australia, many of them classified as asylum seekers or refugees. The irony is glaring. At independence in 1980, the government promised empowerment, dignity, and prosperity. Today, Zimbabweans are among the most mobile populations in Africa, fleeing the very system that was supposed to liberate them. This movement has become a regional crisis, stretching public services in South Africa, straining humanitarian aid budgets in Europe, and creating diplomatic friction with host nations. The truth is clear. Zimbabwe cannot continue on this path. The government urgently needs a new strategy that goes beyond rhetoric. Economic revival must be prioritized. Citizens need jobs, a stable currency, and predictable policies that allow businesses to thrive. Without this, migration will only accelerate. Governance must be strengthened. Corruption, patronage, and lack of accountability push Zimbabweans to despair. Restoring trust in public institutions will give citizens a reason to invest their energies at home rather than abroad. The liberation struggle was about reclaiming dignity and control over destiny. Today's struggle is about stopping a dangerous exodus that undermines the very sovereignty so hard won. Empowering Zimbabweans to stay, work, and prosper in their homeland is not just a moral imperative. It is a survival strategy for the nation. If bold action is not taken now, history will record this as the era when Zimbabwe lost more of its people to migration than it ever did to war. The time to act is now. Engineer Jacob Kudzi Mutasi, +2637722278161.